Who Moved My Cheese? This book is a classic. It's about change and leaning into the change. You don't want to be like Sears and Blockbuster that didn't change and now they're going out of business. You need to be like Amazon and Netflix. Move with the cheese. Nowadays, you cannot afford to have a startup company to hire local Americanized labor. We are a virtual world labor organization now. Get a virtual assistant today for $12 an hour, full-time, wages, benefits, taxes paid. Get a virtual assistant today. Move with the cheese, man.